Theoretically, I'm in the prime of my life. Average man, not so average filmmaker. I just watched the days go by as if there was a never-ending cycle of constant struggle. One man told me, if you take a chance with you, you take a chance with me. Sometimes I look at my life as an arrangement of sauteed remembrance of what was once there but has yet ceased. Sometimes I play Grand Theft Auto and think of the people on there, as an invitation to represent myself as I've chosen to live my life as a kind you see characterized by distinction. But my main influence is my father. He shows me that life is not much as a demeanor of society, but a struggle to adapt with the different lifestyles of endowment. The contract of life is something you can't sign up unless you feel the urge to run away from the statement of days past. My father means everything to me. He's the reason I'm here. He's the fucking reason I'm here. I fucking love him, man. He's my father, man. He's my papi. I can't wait for the moment till our faces meet again. Hello? Yes. I decided my could-be last meal would be a nice bowl of sushi, ravioli con la zucca with le palmiole sauce. It was time. Oh, I'm gonna have a cigarette too. There's a house over here about to break into. I'm pretty sure that's where they're at. My father just got kidnapped by Rupert. Find him in my life. My father. We're at the house. My father. I'm getting him back no matter the cost. Father? Yeah. Where are you? Where are you? I'm on my way. I did. Said they were. God damn it! Fucking those fiends. Those fiends. Disappointment again. Father, where are you? What's that? Well, we're here. All right.
Somewhere within a 1,000-mile radius, that's where my father is.
Well, they're not here. I'm just gonna go make camp. Start tomorrow. That'll be stressful. Father!